So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Tofumi and this is my channel where I do sewing tutorials, how to, and just general tips about sewing. In this video, as you've seen in the title, I'm going to be showing you how to cut bustier, princess bustier with freehand method without pattern. We're just cutting it directly on the fabric. So let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to be doing is to mark out my length. The half length I'm using is 15 inches. I'm going to add 1 extra inch for sewing allowance, so that's going to be 16 inches. I'm going to mark it all the way. The next thing I'm going to do is to insert my horizontal measurements, that is my breast point. I'm going to insert my breast point, my under bust, and this is going to serve as my waistline. So I'm going to do the same thing all the way. So now that I've inserted my horizontal measurement, I'm going to go ahead and insert my shoulder measurement. My shoulder divided by 2 is 7.5. I'm going to add half an inch. That makes it 8 inches. And here on the bust line, let me just mark it with B and under bust. So on the bust line, I'm going to insert my nipple to nipple measurement, which is 4 inches. Nipple to nipple measurement, and join it all the way down. So I'm going to join it like a straight line and just do it like this. Exactly. So now that I've done this, I'm going to insert my dart. For an average person, for a medium-sized person like me, you can use 0.5 inches, or you can increase it as much as you want the as much as you want the bust to be very, very obvious. But I'm just going to make it ½ inch on both sides, so I'm going to take out ½ inch. ½ inch. Same thing. I'm going to do the same thing on the under bust also. ½ inch, ½ inch. I'm going to join it together. So as I was saying, sorry for the break in transmission. I'm going to come in. My armhole curve is 8 inches, so half of 8 inches is 4 inches. I'm going to come in here and mark my 4 inches as so. I'm going to measure my 8 inches like this also to make sure that it's a straight line. Then I'll measure like so. I'm going to insert my bust measurement on the chest line, which is 8.5, I'm going to add, of course, 1½ inch. So I'm going to just use a freehand to curve it all the way down like this, just to form our armhole curve. Don't forget this half that we already did here. So now I'm going to just connect this point to the breast point like this. I'm going to connect this point to the breast point like so. So now I've connected this point to the breast point. What we want to do is to tighten the upper bust area. We don't want it to be too loose or not, just to give it more shape. I'm going to come down here from this point by ½ inch, just on this armhole curve, ½ inch. Same thing at the upper part, ½ inch also. And I'm going to join it to the bust line like this. I'm going to do the same thing here. At the under bust, I'm going to just do a freehand. So you're going to come from the bust point like this and just form a curve like so. Just form a curve to join the bust point like so. So it's going to look like this. This is what it's going to look like. So for the measurements, my bust measurement is 8.5. So I'm going to add 3 inches because of the darts that we have taken in, because of the tightening that we have done. I'm going to add, make it 11 inches. This measurement is 7 inches, so I'm going to add 3 inches or so. That makes it 10 inches. So we join it together. Join the bust and the hip together, and then we are going to join it straight to this armhole curve. Like so. Exactly. So this is what we are going to have, and then I'm going to just trace it out and cut it out so that you guys can see. So guys, this is what I have. This is what we have. Let me just turn like this so that you guys can see. This is what we have after I've pieces everything. So I'm going to join it and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, I've joined it together, and this is what I have. Like, can you guys see it? See the way the bustier is standing. I hope you guys can see it. See the way it's standing perfectly. Same as the lining also. I've joined the lining also, and I've added interfacing to the lining. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to turn it with the lining, and then I'm going to show you guys what the finished looks like. So guys, this is the finished look of our princess bustier. Can you guys see how beautiful it looks inside and outside? Like, I'm still going to press it inside to make it more attractive. Yes, to make it more attractive, so to say. But this is what it looks like on the outside. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any video requests, please drop it in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.